Imagine a vast, swirling cloud of gas and dust floating in the cosmic void. This is the beginning of our solar system, a tale that began 4.6 billion years ago. The most widely accepted theory is the nebular hypothesis. It suggests that our solar system was born from the gravitational collapse of a giant molecular cloud. As the cloud contracted, it spun faster, forming a flat, spinning disk. The sun ignited at the center, while the rest of the material began coalescing into planets. In this cosmic dance, dust particles collided and stuck together, forming planetesimals. Over millions of years, these grew into the planets we know today. The inner planets, like Earth, formed from heavier elements, while the outer giants accumulated lighter gases. But the story doesn't end there. The capture theory posits that the sun captured passing cosmic material, forming planets. Meanwhile, the protoplanet theory suggests small blobs from a star cluster formed planets. Though the details remain a cosmic puzzle, these theories paint a picture of our solar system's dramatic birth, a testament to the universe's power and mystery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Got Space.